beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey. Today let's talk about this unit, y'all. This unit is from Bobbi Boss. They were kind enough to send me over this unit, and I will be giving my honest review, so don't worry. I was a little bit skeptical when I seen what color they had sent me. This is not a paid review, baby. They just sent me the wig. So I was a little bit skeptical. I'm like, well, I can't be too picky on what they sent me. Like, they sent me but I guess they have a whole vision. They seen something in me with this color. It is a little different. So the unit is Regan. It is in the color HL22-1222. Now, baby, this hair is super long. Like, I don't even know what length this is. Like, it goes all the way to my butt. This is a very, very long unit. It is layered. The only thing I did was plopped it on. It does have a 13x4 pre-plucked and baby hair. I did not pluck anything at all on this unit. Child, I don't even know how to really pluck a unit, so that was a plus. This is definitely, I would say, a beginner friendly, because I did no plucking at all. I just put it on, cut the baby hairs on the sides, and that was it. This is a glueless unit. I did secure it down with just my hairspray, the Got To Be hairspray, and that was it. I'm gonna come back and change the styles because like, you can wear this unit in so many different ways. This is just like how it came out of the package, with just being part straight down the center. So I'm going to do a couple of hair changes for this one unit, so you can, it does tangle just a little bit, you know. It is a synthetic unit, so you will get some shedding and tangling. I definitely will not be wearing this like out if I know I'm going to be out for an extended period of time, because I don't plan on sitting here brushing hair all day or all night. I just want to, you know, just want to go to wherever I need to get to and be cute. So this is another look that you can do. I just put a little piece behind the ear, left a little piece in the front, and flipped it over, and baby, it's a new me. It has a lot of layers in it, so it's kind of like however you decide to you know, flip it on over, baby. You're gonna have the layers. You will have layers. So that's cute. I can dig it. Kind of like a deep little part. Cute. This is another cute little, you know, flip over doop-de-doo. I kind of like this one. This might be like my I like this one. This has to be like my most favorite way you can wear this unit, just because it has like the little flip over, and like I said, it has the layers cut in it already. So no matter how you flip this hair, how you part it, it's gonna give what it's supposed to give. So I love this unit. Come on, Bobbi Boss. Come on, Bobbi Boss. I love it. Y'all let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. And like, when you get this unit, just be creative. Be creative. Flop that hair however you want it. So this is another style. I just pulled two pieces down on the side, put like a little ponytail in the middle, and left the rest hanging, which I think is pretty cute. It's a cute little hairdo. I don't know how this ponytail looks because I just threw it in there, but it's still cute. It's giving a vibe. It's giving, I'm a pretty princess, like I'm a baddie. Cute. This was the last look I decided to put together with this hair unit. Baby, let me tell you, this unit was so easy. The only thing I had to do was put a little bit of my foundation on the lace, pop that baby on, and that was that. I love this unit. I definitely will recommend you get it. I give it the color and the versatility that you can do with it, like the free parting space and the no plucking. The fact that I did not have to do any plucking and it looks this good, I give this a 8. Only because it is synthetic and it is tangling, probably just due to the length. But overall, I love this unit. Y'all know I'm a Bobbi Boss girl. I love me some Bobbi Boss units. For the Synthetica hair, baby. And what about it, baby? Y'all need to get this. I love it. It is so cute. I think this has to be like my my favorite hairstyle for this unit that I threw together. So make sure you guys, if you have not already, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know how you are feeling this unit. I definitely suggest you go get you one. There is a lot of units. Well, I've seen a few. I've seen like 1 or 2 videos of this unit, and the popular color was the rosemary one. I'm glad they didn't, Bobbi Boss did not send me the rosemary one, because that might just be a little bit too much out of my comfort. But overall, I love it. It looks good. I look like $1,000,000. Please make sure you do comment, like, subscribe, share, do whatever you need to do, because again, I am trying to get my channel to grow. And if y'all want me to come back with more of these lovely hair units, let me know. But until the next time, bye.